I have the privilege and honor of introducing several amazing innovators this morning. So you'll be hearing from them shortly. Before I do that, I would like to introduce myself and wake us up a little bit. So my name is Heidi Herrick, and I am Executive Talent Director of FloodGate Medical, a leading Medtech recruiting firm based out of Tampa, Florida. We work nationwide and work with many of the medical device companies that are here presenting this week. Quick question to help us all get into the mindset of today. Raise your hand. I'm curious how many of you are entrepreneurs in the room? A few. Awesome. Okay. Any of you, have you come from a family of entrepreneurs? Maybe father, mother, spouse, couple? Okay. All right. So I come from a family of serial entrepreneurs. My grandfather was a crime scene forensic photographer. My dad was or still is, a commercial real estate broker. I am the youngest of 6, and all 5 of my older siblings are entrepreneurs. So you can imagine the culture of our family growing up. Pull yourself up by your own bootstraps and figure it out. So you can imagine the shock and horror when I was a sophomore in college, and I sat my father down and I said, "Dad, I've decided what I want to major in, and it's not business." Does anyone here want to guess what I majored in? Anthropology. Does anyone here know what anthropology even is? What's that? Most people don't, because you guys are too smart. You're MBAs and scientists, engineers. Anthropology is the study of culture. And so my dad said to me that night, as he said to me many nights thereafter, "Heidi, what are you going to do with that degree? You're never going to get a job. There's nothing in life that you can do with an anthropology degree." And I get to rub that in his face every time I see him, because I do. I get to use that degree every day at FloodGate Medical. Anthropology is, in the simplest of forms, the study of culture. And so every day, I, along with my colleagues at FloodGate Medical, we study culture. We study company culture. We study Medtech company culture. So as many of you know, many of you are CEOs, business leaders, when you hire and you have that fit, it is rarely a skills-based fit. The most successful fits are cultural fits, right? And so when you are looking to build a business, yes, there are many, many, many steps involved. Just a few simple steps that you might be looking at the screen and thinking, yes, I've done that before. And it's not simple, right? It's not easy to do all of these things. And by the way, secure funding from the fine folks that are here today and this week. And so you might do all of these things right, but if you don't have the right people on the team leading and casting vision, it can fall apart, right? And so what I wanted to share with you today, and hopefully leave you with today, is the reminder that it is not about the how, it is about the who. You are inventors, you are innovators, you create the why, and oftentimes when we partner with companies early stage, they skip over the who and they jump to the how. And I want to give all of you just a strong encouragement not to jump over the who, because it is the who that creates the when and the how and the where. And so a little bit about FloodGate Medical. I know we're short on time because we got a late start, so I'll go quick. But we're based in Tampa, Florida. We've been in business for about 25 years. We work nationwide. And we work with companies pre-commercial all the way through market dominance. We help with C-suites down to sales reps and everything in between. And our sweet sauce, I would say, is working with fewer companies and going deep with them. It's not a transaction. It's not a resume that we're selling. We are promoting a service. We're partnering with our clients, and we are striving to become motive aligned with them to help them win and help them get the right people on their team so that they can succeed. So again, my name is Heidi Herrick with FloodGate Medical. I do have some pockets of time available today, so if you'd like to meet, shoot me a message through the app. And without further ado, I would like to introduce our first innovator, Lishan Aklog with Port.io. Thank you.